How to fix Instagram error problem. Hi guys, first thing, open the settings. Go to the apps. When you open the apps on this page, you will find every single app you have in your phone. So, all what you wanna do is scroll until you find Instagram, click on it, force stop, and click on data usage, and disable the Wi-Fi and enable it back. Go back again, click on the power usage details, click down here on force stop, and go back into the settings on your phone. Go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for let's say 25 seconds, and after that disable it and restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe.